Welcome back to another video about Breckenridge, Colorado. Breckenridge's free bus system honestly makes it the clutch of mountain towns in Colorado because you can get back and forth and up and down and left and right and to and fro totally free of charge. So if you're excited to see this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know this content is helpful to you. And if you feel called to it, subscribe. I make videos about RV life, traveling tidbits, business, entrepreneurship, and everything in between. So in this video, I'm just going to give you guys the rundown on what it's like to use the Breckenridge bus system, give you some ideas about how to use it, and then please just feel free to chill out, relax, and enjoy the vibey background music along with the views of the Breckenridge bus. The Breck Free Ride Transit System connects all corners of Breckenridge. It makes it really easy to travel between the ski lifts, the neighborhoods, your Airbnb or hotel, and other popular destinations. And if you're looking for other interesting or free things to do while you're in Breckenridge, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Before I get into this whole conversation about bus routes, which might be kind of confusing, let me just say, show up to any bus stop. Look on the sign. It's generally going to come back anywhere between 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25 minutes. When the bus driver pulls up, tell them where you're going. They're all really nice and they're used to tourists and people visiting being lost or uncertain about the buses. So you can always just ask literally any bus driver and they'll be happy to help you. Now, the bus routes vary depending on the season, so here's a quick breakdown. Winter routes are from November to April, and that includes the yellow route, which connects Beaver Run, Park Ave, and Airport Road. The brown route, or brown south or brown north, takes you between Main Street and local neighborhoods. So if you have an Airbnb, you're probably going to be able to use the brown route, whether that be north or south, to get back and forth without having to walk in very cold temperatures or deal with a lot of snow, or if you have someone with accessibility needs. And of course, there's the Ice Rink Express, which runs between the ice rink, Beaver Run for skiers and snowboarders. The summer route is from May through October, and that's going to include the gray route that covers Beaver Run, Warriors Mark, and also Airport Road. There are also routes like the trolley route, which runs all year round and makes it really easy to navigate Main Street in downtown. Here are some key destinations that you might be going on the free Breck bus. So number one would be the ski lifts, which you're going to be using yellow, gold, and the ice cream routes, which will drop you off near the ski lift terminals like Peak 7, Peak 8, and Beaver Run. And of course, if you're riding the gondola, which you can check out a video about the free gondola if you click above, then that will of course take you up to the ski lifts. You might be going to Main Street, in which you can just use the trolley route. The trolley route is easily identified because that one looks like a trolley, whereas the other ones look like buses. So if you're looking for entertainment, shopping, or dining, just take the Main Street trolley route. If you're looking for recreational sports such as cross-country skiing or snowshoeing at the Carter Park, then you can go sledding or any of the other things at the Nordic Center. And of course, if you need parking and other local services, then you may be going to the Airport Road. If you're asking yourself, but Kendra, how do I use the free Breck bus? Don't worry, I got you. Because you might be thinking like north, south, east, west. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm from a small town or I've never been here before. Remember this, Mimi's and Peepees. And I don't mean that to seem facetious. That's where you can get coffee, churros, and donuts. The bus depot. If all else fails, the bus depot is right next to Mimi's and Peepees. They are open late. They have the best hot chocolate that we found. There's a lot of hot chocolate shops in Breckenridge, y'all. Mimi's and Peepees was the best. And also, it's brown owned. It's owned by Hispanics. So definitely go check that out while you're on there. But otherwise, just stop at any bus stop or go to the bus depot. They usually run, every 15 to 20 minutes, max 30 minutes. So just hop on and enjoy the ride. If you are a skier heading for the slopes, the free ride makes it super easy to get to the ski lifts. For Peak 7 and Peak 8, take the gold route. For Beaver Run, hop on the yellow route or the ice cream route during winter. Everybody gets on and off of the buses pretty quickly, so make sure that you're all geared up before you jump on so that you do not delay the bus. If you need any other assistance trying to figure out the bus route, just keep in mind that there are apps, there are schedules, real-time updates, and route details available on the website or via the app. The app does show live tracking of the buses so that you're never left out in the cold freezing wondering when the bus is going to come. All right, that's it. That's all the advice I have for you about the free Breck bus system. Overall, just make sure that you hop on, have fun, don't worry, go explore. And if you're looking for fun things to do while visiting Breckenridge, definitely check out the link in the description where you'll find a link to all my favorite activities in Breckenridge, Colorado. Enjoy the vibey music and enjoy the rest of the view of this snowy, beautiful mountain town.